This is a story about a conventional apple farmer in India. Like any other farmer, he loves his farms and looks forward to a healthy crop and good harvests. One day, he observed disease symptoms on his crop. This meant that his crop was already infected. To control further spread of the disease, he immediately sprayed pesticides on his crop. But little did he know that it would rain later in the day. Alas, it rained and the pesticide was washed out from the crops. The farmer was dejected. Neither could he do timely pesticide spraying to prevent the disease, nor did he get any benefit due to late spraying because of sudden rain. As a result, his crop was destroyed and his farm income was severely affected. Untimely pesticide spraying on a hit-and-trial basis led to ineffective disease management. This not only increased his input costs, it also reduced his return on money spent. But what could the farmer do? He always followed general recommendations given by local retailers from whom he purchased his agri inputs, or followed other fellow farmers' practices without considering the unique requirements of his farm or the specific needs of his crop. On the other hand, here is a similar apple farmer somewhere in Europe, a major apple growing region. Oh wow! His apples look fresh and healthy. How did they not get affected? Wait a minute. Artificial intelligence, AI. Now that's what made the difference. The European farmer used AI to take timely decisions for plant protection and nutrient management. And this resulted in a precision-based preventive approach. Indian apple farmers, like farmers in other global apple markets, want to provide quality produce to end consumers. But can anyone help them grow apples better? We have a solution. Presenting Bayer Digital Prediction System, weather forecast-based AI for agriculture and farming. What is Bayer Digital Prediction System all about, and how does it work? Like the name suggests, Bayer Digital Prediction System predicts various insect and disease infestations in crops and provides farmers with customized solutions. Through satellite sensing, data from participating farmers' fields, such as weather conditions and other local parameters, are collected. This information is then computed using an artificial intelligence system, which churns out data and predicts the possibility of insect and disease infestation at farmer fields. This data is further analyzed by a robust team of agronomic experts who then recommend customized solutions against insect and disease incidents for that specific region. Further, these predictions of insect and disease incidents, along with crop advisory, is broadcasted to other farmers in the region through various digital formats, including WhatsApp and SMS alerts. The pilot of Bayer Digital Prediction System was done for 3 years in Kashmir from 2016 to 2018. Similarly, it was tested for 2 years from 2018 to 2019 in Himachal Pradesh. The aim was to offer timely prediction and effective solutions against various insects and diseases in apples. With an accuracy of 80 to 85%, this not only helped Indian farmers stay a step ahead of insects, diseases, and weather changes, it also helped optimize their spend on agri inputs and earn better incomes. Indian apple farmers can now access modern scientific cultivation practices, cope better with challenging scenarios, and provide superior quality apple produce to consumers. Thanks to artificial intelligence and digital farming tools such as the Bayer Digital Prediction System.
मैं नरेश कश्यप विलेज गुठान तहसील ठियोग का एक एप्पल ऑर्चर्डिस्ट हूँ और ये मेरी सेकेंड जनरेशन है जो इस काम को कर रहा हूँ। ये जो आने वाला टाइम है ये डिजिटल जो टेक्नोलॉजी है उसका युग रहेगा। तो इस बार हमने जो इसका वो एक देखा है प्रमाण, वो जो एक बायर ने एक रिप्रो टेक्नोलॉजी जो लाई है हम फार्मर्स में, जो ये टाइम से जो है एक वीकली जो ये हमें जो एक मैसेजेस देते थे कि ये डिज़ीज़ इस हफ्ते में कैसी होगी। तो ये इन फ्यूचर के लिए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि इससे जो हमारे जो हम स्प्रेज जो पहले करते आ रहे थे रैंडमली जो बस चला हुआ था, तो उसमें ये पिन पॉइंट जो है हमारा जो है स्प्रेस को जो कब चेक करना है, कौन सी डिजीज़ आ रही है उसको कैसे चेक करना है, जिससे क्या होगा हमारी स्प्रेस भी कम होगी और हमारे जो खर्चे अनवांटेड जो जा रहे हैं आज वो भी कम होंगे।
नमस्कार बागवान भाइयों, मैं सरस्वती नेगी उद्यान विभाग में उद्यान विकास अधिकारी के पद पर कार्यरत हूँ और डेवलपमेंट ब्लॉक निचार पे। बायर्स ने एक रिनप्रो डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म तैयार किया है। उन्होंने वहाँ के फार्मर्स का एक ग्रुप बनाया है जिसमें वो उनको वेदर डाटा और डिज़ीज़ के बारे में पहले से ही जानकारी प्रोवाइड करवाते हैं, जिससे फार्मर्स को पता चलता है कि उनके खेतों में क्या बीमारी आ रही है, कौन सी बीमारी आ रही है और कब आ रही है, जिसकी वजह से फार्मर्स में बीमारी से फ्रूट्स को या फिर प्लांट्स को बचाने में फ़ायदा मिलता है। और इसके थ्रू जो है फार्मर्स जो है वो 15 दिन पहले ही अपने खेतों में स्प्रे कर सकता है, जिसकी वजह से वो बीमारी वहीं रुक जाएगी। और इससे फार्मर्स को ये फ़ायदा होगा कि वो अननेसेसरी जो पेस्टिसाइड यूज़ करते हैं विदाउट बीमारी के या फिर नीड बेस नहीं होता है, उससे भी वो बच सकते हैं, जिससे उनकी जो है इकोनॉमी में फ़ायदा होगा और जो एक्सेसिव वो मनी स्पेंड करते हैं उससे भी वो बच सकते हैं।
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, माई सेल्फ ठाकुर रमन फ्रॉम नेटिव विलेज ऑफ शेलापानी in Tehsil Jubbal district Shimla, which is southeast of district Shimla. Well, we have been growing apples since last 15-20 years, but because of the primitive methods of our ancestors and the villagers, we were not getting the optimum results. So what we used to do earlier was we used to ask a local people about the output and what are the schedules for the spraying. And then this beer company, they brought in front of us a very good project which they gave the name RIMPRO project. And you know, in this digital world we were never expecting that we the farmers will be on this digital technology, we will be connected with this digital technology. Because of this RIMPRO project, which is a digital platform and which is giving a pre-warning to farmers 10 to 15 days in advance regarding the disease like premature leaf falls and powdery mildew. And you know, by getting to know about these things in advance, the cost of cutting of the farmer and the output we are getting now is drastically, you know, the difference what we used to have earlier and now the cost of cutting profit, it's drastically has been improved a lot for all of us.